you washing your hair, and what noises you can make. And you can just
Okay.
And at the beginning, in Nicole's verse, we've got these moves, remember?
Yeah.
Last verse, and then we got this. Then we got this.
Yeah, that's the...
Okay, I think we're ready.
We are zebra characters. We are a collective group.
Oh, right. Happy with that one?
Yep.
Yeah.
We do like some songs. We made up our songs. We do warm-ups, and we do a bit of exercise before we start our drumming and set up, and we work as a team as well.
A bit more boogieing down. What do you reckon? But you really smashed it. Smashing it, everybody. It sounds incredible. Well done.
We got together through a shout out by Good Buddies Cymru, asking for a group of people to learn to speak. Did you want to start a band? A group of us here in the band, we said yes, and we wanted to get involved.
Yeah, everyone in this band is just an amazing performer. And I think our aim in the next couple of years is to get out there and get touring. We've had one really amazing gig at WMC, and by the time this comes out, we'll have just played another show in Chapter in February. We're just hungry for more, aren't we, Sian?
Yeah.
Mae yna fath o syniad yn y byd creadigrwydd gyda anabledd bod ni'n neud music therapy, ond dyn ni ddim o gwbl. Ni'n neud cerddoriaeth anhygoel, pwerus, top class. The music is really exciting. It's fresh, and hearing the songs emerge out of our, studio time together it's just great. It's like I want to get up and dance the whole time. We're on our feet having a party.
Music should be something that's widely available. More time should be given to it being taught in schools. An investment should be given to music groups so that anyone can get involved. Whatever their condition, whatever their disability, whatever their support needs, anyone can get involved in music. And anyone should be able to get involved in music. It makes the world a much happier place.
Yeah, they do. Thank you, Ryan Moore. I want to say a big thank you to John for helping us out this weekend. I want to give a big thank you to Tavy and to Rosie for putting this lovely centre on, which I love anyway. And I want to say a big thank you to these guys for helping us out.
And yeah, you just need to get down to a gig because it's fantastic.
And yeah, have a safe journey home, and I'll see you all very soon. Good night, God bless, cheers.
music.
Well, indeed.
Now you're talking, baby. Oh yeah, we did it. Oh yeah. We're gonna say? We're gonna